What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you, good whatever. Right now, it's lunchtime for us, and we are just getting out of the house. I have the day off of work, so we're making the best of it. And where are we going?
On a hike.
Yeah, and where are we gonna go hiking?
In the desert.
In the desert.
But there is pokies in there.
There's pokies?
Yeah.
What do we gotta do with the pokies?
Be careful.
Yeah? Just don't kick them?
Nope.
That would hurt, huh?
Yeah. Ah! Is there snakes there?
There might be snakes there. We'll see. It might be a little bit too cold. The snakes are getting ready to go to sleep right now, so we'll keep our eyes open for snakes.
What are we going to do to the snakes?
Nothing. We're just gonna make sure we don't step on any. Alright, but anyway, so we got the baby, we got the doggy, we got the me, we got the drone. Yeah, so we're just gonna kind of make a day of it. We're gonna hike around and explore and just have fun. We're going out in the area of like Gunlock Reservoir, like behind Gunlock Reservoir. To the, I guess you don't know what behind would mean. So, to the west of Gunlock Reservoir. And yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be really fun. Man,
What's that thing right
that's
there?
a big tractor loading dirt into a big truck. They're making the road go around that side over there so that they can cut the road out right here and drop it down.
Why?
Because they're putting in a bridge over there. And they just need the road lower. See, he's cutting all of it out. Crazy.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Yeah, kind of weird, huh?
So all the cars can go over there.
Yeah, all the cars will go over there.
Yeah, we don't want that to happen so we can get dirt on it.
Yeah,
We don't want that.
don't want that.
And sometimes when you go to work, your car gets really dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to wash it.
We should probably wash it today. What do you think?
Why?
Just 'cause it's dirty. Should we wash it?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, where can we wash it?
Maybe the car wash?
Yes! Let's go to the car wash first.
Okay. Go to the car wash before we go hiking?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go to the car wash and then we'll go out hiking. Sounds good.
Yep.
We're gonna go underwater like a submarine. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go through the foam. That's the ocean. Ocean foam.
Ah, sea monsters!
Sea monsters! Sea monsters! Oh no, he's gonna get you! He's gonna get you!
He didn't get us.
He's gonna get us? Oh no, he's just gonna get you. Coming out of the water now.
The water got me.
Like a submarine. Is that cool?
Yeah.
You like going through the car wash?
Yeah, it's like a submarine.
It is like a submarine, huh? And then we go through the biggest tornado ever.
Yeah, it makes us dry off.
How was that, kid? You like the car wash?
A little scary because it has sea monsters.
Okay, now we're going out to the desert. Ready?
Yeah.
What you got?
Pizza.
Pizza. Where'd you get that?
From your work.
Yeah. We just stopped by my work. Had to drop off some stuff, pick up some stuff, and there happened to be pizza there. And what else did you get?
Brownie.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's so good. Was it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And that's like a little piece.
Just a little piece of a brownie. Did it have caramel on top? It was all kinds of yummy. Yeah. And now what?
Going to the desert.
Yeah. That big mountain over there.
Yeah. And look at that one in front of us.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
It's humongous.
It is. That's pretty, huh?
Yeah. Oh, one in front of us. Oh, careful! Downhill!
Downhill. So we're making it. We're out in the desert right now. Driving out to the spot where we're gonna go hiking, and we'll also find some cool areas to take the drone up and shoot the landscape in here. This is one of my favorite areas, and I haven't been down here in about 5 months. So it's nice to get out here again, and then yeah, we'll film it for you guys. You see those rocks? Whoa. Those are cool, huh?
Yeah, humongous.
Humongous. Hey, Booger. Where are we?
In the desert!
Yeah, buddy. Pretty cool spot. All right, well, we got the drone out here, so we might as well make use of that. We'll take it up into the air, see if we can get some cool shots of this whole area around here. Oh, Jasmine's chasing lizards. All right, I got the drone up overhead, so let's take it up there, see what this area looks like.
Where did it go? I can't see it. It's too tiny.
It's up there.
Oh, I can't see it from here. Can I look around?
All right, so now we're 400 feet up. So let's see what we got around here. So if we pan to the right, you got Jackson Peak and Square Top Mountain out there in the distance. We got all these super cool red rocks. That area is really fun to hike around in. And then if we keep panning over, then we have these red rocks. Those are the ones that we saw when we were driving in. Isn't this whole area just awesome? And then down that way, that's the St. George Valley over there. Way off in the distance that way. And that's the road we drove in on right down there. Right there. All right, done. So there you have it. There's the lay of the land. That's what we got kind of around us a little bit right now. So now it's time to go hiking.
There's Jess. She's over there.
Yeah.
I thought we lost her.
Climbing up the mountain. Okay. The cactus right there.
I can see everything from up here.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It's a good view, huh?
Yeah. I don't like to climb down. I like to climb up.
You like to climb up?
Yeah, not down.
Yeah.
Climbing down is scary.
We started our hike way over here. Not too shabby, huh? It was about 2 miles. Well, how'd that 2-mile hike feel?
Good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
And got all the way up to the top?
Yep.
Pretty cool.
I'm gonna get all the way up here from there.
Yeah. Kind of crazy, huh?
How?
We walked.
I can't believe it. I can see the whole path.
Yeah.
And not all of it.
High fivers. Love you.
Love you too.
All right, so we're gonna chill out up here for a couple of minutes and just kind of enjoy this, and then yeah, and then we'll head back. Whoa. Ready to go down that? Yep.
Look.
Wait.
Let's have more fun here.
Well, that was a cool spot, huh?
Yeah, it was a little scared.
A little scary.
Yeah.
What part was scary?
The one that we went down.
Oh, climbing down.
Yeah.
Well, so we're done at this spot. Now I've got a surprise for baby Kae. So we're gonna go to your surprise. Sound like fun?
Mm-hmm. The surprise is the next spot.
It is?
Yep. I know what the surprise is.
Oh, dang. You got it all figured out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what's the next spot?
My surprise.
Well, yeah, but where is the next spot?
I don't know. But I know what the surprise is, but I don't know where the next spot is.
Yeah. So you got half of it figured out. How long have we been driving?
Like a long time.
Yep. Like a long time later. And we're getting here. We're getting to the next spot. It's right here.
I haven't finished my nap yet.
This is cool.
Yeah. Even one tree fell.
So this is a really cool area just north of Gunlock Reservoir, and one of the reasons I wanted to come out here today is because the upper elevations have already changed colors, fall colors, and as soon as it starts cooling off down here in the next 2 weeks or so, then we're gonna get the fall colors down here, and all this is gonna change. So I want to come back here and show you what this looks like in the fall colors when all the cottonwoods turn yellow. But I figured in order to show you the difference, we had to come before all of the leaves drop. So these are pretty gorgeous trees though. Definitely the biggest trees around. How you doing, little girl?
Yeah. Great. I'm not falling.
Not falling?
Nope.
Hashtag trekking pole pro. Well, that's it for here. On to one more spot. Do you know where it is?
No.
Are you gonna like it?
Yeah.
You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh yeah, lake time. This is the little feeder inlet to Gunlock Reservoir. We were just up the way about, I don't know, 4 miles. And so I figured we'd come down here, play around while we're out here. Hey, baby Kae, how you doing? Did you make it?
Yeah. That's a little steep for me.
A little steep for you?
Yeah.
Where are we?
At the lake.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah, let's go in the water.
So this is a fun little spot to have, like right in our backyard. There's a few reservoirs around St. George. I really like this one. Just the rock formations, the ease of access, you know. And it's just a nice little chill out spot. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, rock skipping time. Jasmine found the birds. Oh, nice. Did you see that? That bird just dove bombed in and grabbed a fish. That was pretty sweet. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think Jasmine's gonna catch those birds. There she is. She was way away. Hey, crazy pooch. Did you get him? Huh? Well, we're gonna chill out for a few more minutes, enjoy it out here, and then we're gonna head back home. So we'll see you there. What? Taquitos.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. You like taquitos? Yummy?
Yep.
Nice. Did you have fun on our adventure?
Yeah.
Lots of fun?
Yeah.
Or a little bit of fun?
Lots of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wet bird. That's a bath bird right there. So yeah, just got home a little bit ago. Got Kae set up with dinner. Getting ready to make my dinner shake. And then I think we'll just be winding out the night. So I'm going to put the camera up for the night and just hang out with baby Kae. Enjoy the time that I have with her. Edit this up and then start it all over again tomorrow. I appreciate you guys so much for tagging along, watching these vlogs, hanging with us. It's awesome. Please share these videos with your friends. Let them know that we're vlogging. Let them know that we're putting ourselves out there. And yeah, maybe they would enjoy these videos as well. Huge shout out to my Herbalife aunt, Aunt Elena. Thank you so much. She sent me a hydration bottle and a shaker cup for the start of my Herbalife journey. So thanks for that. I hope you guys are having an awesome one. Make it a great day for yourselves. Peace out, everybody. Take care.